Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's MariaDB DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to configure Galera cluster in MariaDB on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, that is a synchronous multi-master mode. So step by step process we'll go through that and we will just set up the MariaDB Galera cluster on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So we have two static IP, server 1 and server 2. I'm just running these two IPs on my VMware workstation. So server 1 and server 2 is there. So the IP is 192.168.24.129. Let me access this server. So CMD SSH DPT. So while installing, you have configured with the password and username. So just provide the username and password. Hmm. And second IP I'm going to access SSH DPT my user 192.168.224.130. This is my second IP. So I'm going to this one rename server 1 and this one naming I'm giving server 2. The tab color I'm changing red. So side by side we'll just go through that. So first we'll install the MariaDB on all the nodes. So we have a two nodes, that is server 1 and server 2. So I'm going to update and upgrade the system, both the server. So sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade, both the command I'm running. So both the servers are upgrading. Then after that I'll just run the command sudo apt install mariadb dash server hyphen y. So let it complete. Near about to complete. Mm. Okay, so updation is completed. Now I'm going to install the MariaDB server. So just running and installing the both the server. Going to install. So command is sudo apt install MariaDB slash dash server, and why I'm giving for the permission. So completed. Now I'm going to set up the password. So login with the MySQL minus u user, my root is my user, minus p password. I don't have any password, so I click on the enter. Now alter user and root user for the local host. I'm giving the admin@123 is the password. So I'm doing the same I'm doing for the second server also. So here also I'll do. So I'm logging with the MariaDB. We don't have any password initially, so click on enter. So I'm going inside. Here also I'm just changing the password to the admin admin@123 for the root, and just apply the changes with the plus privileges. Now configure the MariaDB Galera cluster. So here in the both the servers, both the node, I am going to configure this one. So okay, sorry. So exit from here, MySQL. Now I'm going to open the configuration file. So here I'll change the server ID is equal to 1. Let me search this one. First, I'll just change the bind address. 0.0.0, and here also. Second, I'm going to server ID. Server ID is 1. Log error. Enable this one. And this file from here to our cluster means this code Garella setting I'm going to put into the end. So control end button, and I'm going to add this one into the last. Same thing I'll do the in the first server. Open the configuration file, go to the bind address 0 0, and server ID I'm going to change for the server to 2, and bind address we have already done, and log error. Enable this, just remove the hash from the starting, and remaining all the things same as I'll do into the server 2 into the last. Okay, so here need to be changed. Here I'll just put the server name. This should be 2, and the node address will be 130. So I have done this one. Just save this file. Save this file. Now I'm going to start the Garella cluster on the node 1. So just stop the MariaDB. Sudo systemctl stop MariaDB. Now I'm going to start the Garella cluster. So started. Now check the cluster size. So it will, okay, password. It will show 1 because only one is running. Same thing I'll do with the second database. Just stop the server, restart the MariaDB, start the MariaDB. Started. Now check the same cluster size. So it will show 2 because 2 servers are added to the cluster. So now I'm going to test the MariaDB cluster. So let me log in with the both the server. So MySQL minus, okay, minus u root minus p. Okay. So we have a password admin at the rate 123. Same thing I'll do with the second MySQL minus u root minus p. So databases. So databases. So here we have a 4 database. Here also so databases. So 4 databases. Now what I will do, I'll just create one test DB on the server 1 or server 2, wherever you want to create. So I'm created. Now show databases, it will show the 5 databases. In server 2 also, if I'll go to the show databases, so 5 databases will be there. Means that my databases is reflected to the second node. Okay. So next is ensure the automatic cluster recovery. So you can edit the file and you can configure this one in the later one. So now the MariaDB Galera cluster synchronous mode multi-master replication is configured in the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. And for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe and like for the more videos. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.